What's up, guys? It's Gwen and Julius. This is Gwen here, and Julius up here. He's recording the camera, and this is the Tri-Strike I'm unboxing here. So yeah, let's get to this. I'll move back a bit so you guys can see it. Like this, perfect. So first, I'll start by opening this thing at the top here with my handy knife. Okay, got it open. So, just opens like this so you guys can see. So, can you guys see that? Okay. Just take this out. This come out. 10 seconds, guys. Yeah, I forgot how heavy the stuff is with this. So guys, I finally got it out of the box. So let me just cut. I'm just cutting all the stuff here. And this one also. So now, I kind of got this out. Why is it tape holding that? I don't know if I cut this. I don't know if it cuts like the two. So, just be careful here, and I hope to break that. Okay. There's one of them right here. And I'll show you guys the thing when it's done. So there. Okay. Got this piece out. So put that aside for now. That's this way. I'll take out the clip now. Wow. Why do they use these kinds of... What kind of packaging is this? There. 10 darts, it's weird. It's a 10 darts one. Now, I'm going to be using a blaster now. You guys see that? Okay. Yeah, you can. Okay, one more putting here. So guys, this is the blaster. Can you guys see it? That's really nice. So, put that aside for now. Okay. And then, I'll take this out. Well, the blade's like bending, that's how strong this packaging is. So, well, that's kind of cool. You can put in the bolt action yourself. It's really cool. So guys, I'm just taking off the last bits of string here. There we go. Here's for the mega darts. So, now the darts here. So, just take this off. The bolt action is really cool. Now you put a bolt action in yourself. I know. The darts just here. And of course the manuals at the bottom. So yeah guys, this could be the end of the video. I'll do what's it called? What are they called? Test. Yeah, I'll be testing the weapon in the next video. So yeah guys, this is Gwen.